Project Freedom, at its essence is grounded in those two strategic themes that we have at Mitchell, which are proper and safe repair and partnering well.
We're basically reimagining and re-envisioning what writing an estimate is all about, and doing it in a way where it could allow us to mature and grow as the industry and technology changes.
You can write at the car, you can take images of the car, you can get repair procedures, you can scan the car. It's all at the vehicle.
What we've done is we're bringing everything together into a single unified workflow together with our partners, and that's what Freedom is really all about. It's connecting all the pieces.
For the consumer, our product is easy to navigate, easy to follow, easy to submit your claim.
I think the advantage of Mitchell Connect and having a cloud-based solution is that it allows everything to be updated and be real time.
So that when they're repairing the car on this brand new vehicle that just got crashed, they have the information immediately.
Ultimately, the consumer can make an informed decision and we get to a safe and proper repair.